Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you a quick run around the engine area, which should apply to every Z3 with a big 6 engine and most BMWs from this generation.
Okay, the first thing is to pop up the hood. The release latch, it's on the right side near the front grille. What you see here is what BMW calls an M52B28 engine, which means it's a straight 6 2.8 liter which develops 193 horsepower and 275 Nm of torque. Okay, let's start from the right side. This is the air intake system. Mine has a K&N upgraded aftermarket kit, so for the stock version you will be looking at a squarish black box. Then going up, this is the airflow meter or a MAF. Here lies the cable operated throttle body with a secondary one which is for the traction control. The mandatory dipstick. On top on the right we have the fuse box and most of the main relays. The cap has a very easy diagram to follow with even spare fuses plus an extraction tool. Over here we have the ABS module, which is really easy to recognize by its 6 metal pipes coming out of it. Now that's the gearbox, mine's a ZF 5-speed, and just here we have the starter motor. That's one of the engine extraction hooks with the other one on the opposite side. Coming back to this angle, over there underneath the main wire harness we have the heater solenoids and valves. Now this is the intake manifold. The oil filter housing. This is the Vanos solenoid, which uses engine oil pressure to operate. Right under there we have the power steering reservoir, and just in front of that, that's the alternator. Mine's rated at 140 amps per hour. The front side of course houses the radiator. The total cooling capacity for this engine is around 10 liters, which is quite a lot. Now that's the filling cap with a bleeder screw right next to it. That's the washer fluid reservoir, which will take 5 liters. Now onto the left upper side, that's the famous OBD1 Pac-Man interface, because it looks just like that, a Pac-Man. The upper white reservoir contains the brake fluid. Remember to change this every 2 years because of its hygroscopic properties. Before advancing, another key element is the Vanos, BMW's variable valve timing technology. Mine is the single Vanos version, easily recognizable by this front bulge on the front cam intake side. Now let's move to the left side. This is the jump start positive connector, and on the suspension hub we have the negative plug, so these will make jump starting the car really convenient. Now the bigger box houses the engine ECU alongside the ABS computer. Again the Vanos side with the viscous fan clutch. Then the last one is the most obvious, which is the engine oil filler cap. Mine takes 6.5 liters per oil change. And that should cover the basics for now. Let me know if you want me to go into more detail for each area. Until then, please subscribe and see you on the next one. Alex out.